इस्तेमाल करता हूँ क्योंकि कभी कभी मेरा हिंदी थोड़ा संदर्भ नहीं। तो आई बी टेकिंग ऑफ ऑन दो करुणानिधि वो दयानंद जी जो भगवान मानते हम लोग तो उन्हीं से। तो पेपर्स उसमें पहला जो इसमें है आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन इंडियन काउ एंड फॉरेन विलायती जो गाय होता है। तो 3 तरीके का स्पीशीज होता है। एक है बॉस इंडिकस वो जो हमारा भारतीय गाय, दूसरा है बॉस टॉरस वो जो विलायती गाय, तीसरा है बॉस पॉपुलस वो जो भैंस है। These are the main scientific जो मैं सब स्वाति जी से जब पहला मिला मैंने यही बोला सबके पास ज्ञान है पर विज्ञान तो भी होना चाहिए। विजडम जो है दो we have the 2 wings right, तो ज्ञान और विज्ञान साथ में जाना चाहिए। ओके, तो इसलिए मैं जब 2 करुणानिधि में डाउनलोड करके पढ़ रहा था शायद 6th or 7th पेज तो उसमें लिखा गया है कि गा और आ टू वर्ड्स हैं गा और एंड इट इज कनेक्टेड विद द अर्थ, मतलब धरती के साथ वो व्यापार। सो दिस आई वाज एनालाइजिंग एंड आई हैव अ मेंटर कॉल्ड शेषाद्रि कायकू, ही इज आल्सो अ वेटरन इन वैदिक लिटरेचर एंड ऑल। अभी नवरात्रि के बारे में जब हम बात कर रहे थे यही मेरा मन में हुआ देवी महात्म्य करके उसमें संवाद है। और ये जो ख करना ये जो मान्यवर बता रहे थे ना सब भाषा में सब भाषा जो कुछ भी कन्नड़ हो सकता है तमिल हो सकता है कोई भी एक्चुअली 56 ये जो मधुकैटभा ये सब बातें when she is fighting with the demon असुरों से जो जल रही थी उसका पूरा शरीर it splinters and it spread across in अखंड भारत इंगला जो अभी पाकिस्तान और अफगानिस्तान उस तरफ से वहां से लेकर पूरा धरती के ऊपर मतलब अपना आई कॉलेज जो कुछ भी समुदाय है भारत का धरती में इन द प्रेशियस लैंड ऑफ सबकॉन्टिनेंट जो कुछ भी समुदाय है वी आर ऑल नेचर सेंट्रिक पीपल, वी आर ऑल नेचर सेंट्रिक। वी शुड अंडरस्टैंड दिस। कोई भी कम्युनिटी हो नेटिव हो ये वो एक्स वाई जेड कोई भी नो वी आर सो मेनी अस मान्यवर बता रहे थे वी आर उपजाति इज एवरीथिंग बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वी आर ऑल नेचर सेंट्रिक। ये जो फादर जो बोल रहे थे ना दैट्स हाउ द मटेरियलिज्म एंटर्स। ओके, तो अभी गा जो होता है गाय में जो गा होता है द वाइब्रेशन ऑफ इट इज एक्चुअली द वाइब्रेशन ऑफ अर्थ। आउट की मतलब जो पशु उसको ऊपर लेके आता है। How does that happen? She nourishes and nurtures the भूमि धरती, मतलब जैसी घास खाती है वैसे उसका मूत्र हो सकता है या गोबर हो सकता है जो आता है ना, जब that falls on the earth gets cooled, चाहे वो राजस्थान हो तमिलनाडु हो कर्नाटक हो कहीं पे भी हो। इससे क्या होता है केचुआ जो नीचे रहता है ना इट इज अराउंड 14 meters डाउन द अर्थ, वो सब ऊपर आता है। तो धरती में जब when she takes the breath all these becomes the आपको समझ में आया ना that capillary movement in that तो इसीलिए ये पूरा इसमें जो मैंने पढ़ रहा था महर्षि दयानंद सरस्वती ने जो कुछ भी बोला है पूरा he has also given the cow economics of those days and then he comes to cow Krishi. So I have given the first page. I think the first page is this. नहीं वो नहीं है, ये है इसमें जेनेटिक एवोल्यूशन भी हमने किया। अच्छा, जेनेटिक एवोल्यूशन में आपको हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई द इंडियन काउ। इंडियन काउ के ऊपर जो भारतीय जो कुछ भी यू नो बोवाइन्स व्हाटएवर इट इज वी हैव अ हम्प। अच्छा, उसके ऊपर एक गोपुर जैसा जो होता है, दूसरा ड्यूलैप जो हम बोलते हैं ना, it is a this is sort of in Kannada they say kenge sadapadi और ड्यूला हिंदी में क्या बोलता है वो मुझे पता नहीं, मतलब याद नहीं आ रहा उसका। हाँ, गल कंबल, गल कंबल. So these are the things, and this all happened according to evolution. And our species, possibly this is the oldest. If you do empty DNA analysis, our existing cow we have now. मतलब इंसान से पहले गाय माता है. You know, we believe in evolution. Much before even human beings came on the planet, there are other species. भागवत में ये लिखा हो गया है. No, we have 33 crores, and all that comes. No, so many species. Let us not go because everything has a scientific background. अभी जो बहुत इंडिकस जो हमारा देश का गाय है, you know who is the father of our breed? Unfortunately, it's Brazil. Brazil is the largest breeder of Indian cows. All the 14 breeds get guy. So I studied in Gujarat. I was introduced to cows in Gujarat, and we had care in country. It was way back in 1986. वो मेरा विद्या क्षेत्र है. वो और मुंबई. IIT Mumbai is the second विद्या क्षेत्र for me. Then I go to Europe after spending some time. Go to Brazil. I see 14 of our breeds being improved. मरने तक अच्छे हैं. I don't know whether they eat beef. See, I am a vegetarian. So, but वहाँ पे जो गाय को देखभाल होता है ना, हमारा ही जो गाय है, चाहे गिर चाहे हो, जो हमारा हल्दी का जो पिक्चर में दिया है, वो मैं जो नेशन के ऊपर काम करता हूँ, हल्दी का. अच्छा, this prevailing in Andhra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and upper Karnataka also. That is Belagavi and all those areas, and lower Maharashtra. So we have Killar करके वहाँ पे breed है. We are all the same genetics type. Okay. तो 14 breeds they are developing. अपना जो हल्दी यहाँ पे 8 लीटर या 6 लीटर देता है, उधर 14 लीटर दे रहा है. And they use Indian fodder. You know, 1896 they take around 3,000 cows from Raja of Bhavnagar. This is how the things start. Gave countries पहले ले गया, बाद में Mongol ले गया, बाद में decided taking all the cows, including Mangalpida of Karnataka. Recently, around 10 years back, that has also gone. जो बोलते हैं माता जी नहीं, वो तो बीफ का है. अरे यार, मैं क्या करूँ, उन लोग का है. You go to Bon Buddhists in Tibet, they eat beef. इधर कुशाल नगर में आप जाओ, ये जो बुद्धिस्ट Bon Buddhist, ये जो कुशाल नगर में अपना we have a big, they have been given some 3,000 acres by government of India. वहाँ पे तो beef खाते हैं. Even the monks eat beef there. Buddhist monks, परमो धर्म जो आप बोल रहे थे ना, और wheel meat is श्रेष्ठ है उन लोगों को, क्योंकि because that is of the weather, let us pardon them. वो लक्ष्य से हम ना देखें. हमारे लिए why this cow is important? If we are all vegetarians, amino acid is only in this cow. ये तो देशी गाय का दूध जो होता है, we have an unbroken amino acid chain. दूसरी बात है, we have proline. Proline is the protein which makes it A2 beta casein milk. Why all this? This is more stable, especially for vegetarians, because otherwise we have to be a vegetarian. If we really want amino acid, we have to be a vegetarian. Okay. अब दूसरा है, this the maintenance cost of Indian cows is much lesser. But अभी क्या हो गया है? I'll come back to if you can go to Gomez जो he has come out with one discussion, page number 16 or something. Yeah, what page number? I don't know. People should be given this talk. Discussion on essential principle. Go Krishna Vikarani Sabha. Bhagwan ji, that is, he writes about it.
गौ करुणानिधि की बात कर रहे हैं. अच्छा.
गौ करुणानिधि की बात कर रहा हूँ. इसमें जो कुछ भी लिखा है वो ही पॉलिसी ऑफ. No, we have this thing called Go Seva Ayog, which is of RSS. They speak only of this. Then I have worked with Rashtriya Kamdeno Ayog from 2019 to 2021. Now it is different. Okay. उन लोग का भी पूरा जो लक्ष्य जो है, it is from Dayana Saraswati. I was going through all the policy, but when it came to apply the policy at the ground level, our IAS officers stopped it. What will you do? What will you do? You all have to be, I'm just bringing about the awareness. Okay. So what I decided was, when I got back to the country in enthusiasm I will not put a Goshala model because काफी Goshala already across India, you know, गो संवर्धन केंद्र, गौशाला सब कुछ है। पर अभी क्या fault line क्या हुआ है? किसान के पास जो देशी गाय है उसको देखने वाला कोई नहीं। पूरा around total in Bharat, we can say we have Gotanas. So these are much older. For example, आप फजीका जाओ, मुस्तक पंजाब में you will see thousands of cows with farmers alone. Then you come to Maldaris, that is Kutch area. There are thousands of cows with them. Then you come to Upper Karnataka and all this. We have Gotana, Hatti, Goti and all. I have put a second page which we have. Our Goshalas are 750 years old. It's all called lineage Goshalas. The breeders, real breeders of Indian cows and not with animal husbandry department of Bharat. And अगर उन लोगों के पास होगा तो भी वो सिर्फ सांकेतिक है, मतलब it's symbolic. कोई आएगा ना परदेश से आएगा ना उनको दिखाने के लिए एक देवनी है, एक गिर गाय है, कंट्रेक्ट है, फलाना डिगरा है करके उससे पैसा लेके आप उड़ा दो. This is the exact thing. So unless and until we privatize or citizens participate in it, point number one. Point number two, we have to create more and more rural entrepreneurs. और गाय सिर्फ दूध के लिए नहीं, मेरी माँ ने सिर्फ दूध नहीं दी मुझे. No? She gave me a character also. हमको ये समझना चाहिए, we have been given two things. Milk is a bonus. इसमें जो कुछ भी actually productive है, today we need not import any manure from China. You know अभी क्या हुआ ना? अभी recently China stopped urea. Imagine, yes, what is urea? Urea is urine, uric acid. उसको हम crystallize नहीं कर पा रहा. Okay, we are not able to crystallize it. Is it so? We have solarizers already. The crystal thing is in my pocket. We already started. I'll be giving you another fabric called Gosara. We already done. But what's happening? Our policies do not suit. On paper, the policy is there. Okay, we are not. See, जैसे फौजी को एक, you know, in defense forces have been given a status, right? Defense forces का status क्या है? देश को पूरा उन लोग they protecting. Who is actually protecting the inner organs? Farmers, no? Are we right? Every food we take, we should thank the farmer. Whether he gives you poison, अन्नदाता तो आजकल विषदाता बन गया है. वो उनका गलती नहीं है भाई साहब. Don't blame our farmers. गलती हमारा जो consumers है ना, we have accepted that. And we are importing urea from China. That has been stopped. We are importing everything almost. They both are Swadeshi, but I have seen, because since we have an essential supplies act, we used to supply milk, organic vegetables, everything during COVID. All our vehicles were allowed to travel across Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, anyway, Maharashtra, we could go in our vehicles. Somehow we had around 4,000 customers, we dropped it to around 1,800 or something. All that happened, but yet we existed. Those days I had to see. And after that I went to IITF, India International Trade Fair, we had our stalls. Very common. Immediately after COVID, we were trying to tell China कहाँ डालेंगे, ये करेंगे, फलाना करेंगे, डिगरा करेंगे, कुछ नहीं हुआ. Most of the participants, international participants were Chinese. Immediately after COVID. Isn't this a shame? So what's lacking in our country is, first is discipline, we should agree. We lack total discipline. Second thing is, we are only going towards, we are creating more job creators. Job creators going here. We are becoming traders. We are very good traders. We do have innovations. I am not trying to de-recognize or de-generate. What has happened, basically? We have that addiction towards appreciation from the West, even today. So that has to change. So what I did was, as I was coming, I built a small team of rural people and started creating Go-Adharit entrepreneurs, Udyamis, create them, give them handhold. Today we handhold IT, PT, all that thing fine. I'm not trying to discuss about it. But unless and until we have the entrepreneurs who are cow-centric, cattle-centric, farmer-centric, and this also has an equation. 1 acre of land without putting any chemical can feed up to 80 cows continuous throughout the year. 1 acre. मतलब इसकी मतलब ये नहीं कि आपके पास 1 acre है तो you will feed the 80 people. That's not what I'm trying to tell. 10 people should get together. So each one has around that also we have worked out. Like Dayanji ने जो workout किया, but it was for those days. For today's also, it is true. 1 acre can sufficiently give 80 people can have a good food, chemical-free food, and all the organic conferences which I go, you know what they say? That is again IAS lobby. No. If we go chemical, if we go organic totally, we can't feed the nation. And by some, when you take everything original, your food consumption comes down. There's the practical evidences are there. जब आप रसायन मुक्त जो when you consume the रसायन मुक्त आहार जो कुछ भी बोलते हैं, obviously, which is organic food or whatever, your food consumption comes down. It has happened in my house. We are off from sugar. गेहूँ हमारा organic है, it comes from Bihar or XYZ. And third thing is good. We have replaced completely sugar, no sugar at home. Even baar जब जाता हूँ, I find who is giving me tea made out of that. Okay, महाराष्ट्र में तो एक तो काफी famous हो गया. Everybody is going to because of Subhash Palikar. Subhash Palikar is my guru again. So these are the things. So what I'm trying to tell you is why people are not going to chemical-free food. It's only because of price. Abhijit, देखो जो दूध हम supplying across Bangalore, it's around 85 rupees. But proximity towards the village, that's in Jayanagar, JP Nagar, is 75 rupees. But when it comes to Indiragar, it becomes around 85 rupees. We can't tell. But what we should do, there are 4 or 5 such producers. We should get together and go for subsidies. ये नहीं हो रहा देश में. People who are feeding chemical onto earth, they are getting subsidies. People like us who work, मतलब ये जो मैट्रिक्स अपना दयानंद जी ने डाला हुआ है, it's a very good matrix. But the matrix which the commerce is attached to. See, what is economics? Ecology. What is astronomy? Studying the stars. Am I right? What is economics? It's actually ecology. Creating an ecosystem. इसीलिए economics आया. पर आजकल कौन ROI revenue over investment, profit and loss account. अरे agriculture is the only way profession में एक दाल आप डालेंगे ना हजारों दाल आए. Input is less, output is more. Some that's a different issue. Some is a total. I'll come if I have to talk about efforts, then it will be a huge thing. So cutting it short, what I'm trying to tell you is our aim, even today, what we I'm here is since it's a government and we have come to go Karuna linear law. See, we have to change certain things within ourselves. We have to first go towards basically Manivar ne bataya what is real truth. This is the fact. This is the real truth. We don't have an economic system which is totally Indian. Nobody goes through. You come to IIM. See, even in IIM, people don't talk about Chanakya Arthashastra. Nobody speaks about it. I was so lucky. I studied in design fraternity. I was, in Baroda also. My main subject was in design. They were talking about Memphis, Bauhaus, all top architecture. They used to never talk about Agamas. We had Shaiva Agamas, we had Vaishnava Agama, we had Jaina Agama. Nobody used to speak about those Agamas. You know what is Agama? Agama is Vinyasa Shastra, that is nothing other than architecture. Even today, any of the building which we have built, it's not Bharatiya at all. हाँ मंदिर छोड़ो, मंदिर अभी भी नया जो मंदिर आ रहा है वो आ रहा है। So some at least if some of us can get together and say नहीं, अभी जो कृषि में गो आधारित कृषि से जो कुछ भी if we can buy and buy at the rate of, for example ये जो हमने एक सिंपल पूजा की जो दिया है, this we are trying to market it at the price of the chemical one. जब तक ये नहीं होगा, because we get raw material in plenty, I am telling you 40% of raw material in Bharat is being wasted. Sawdust is wasted, gobar is wasted. Go to Vrindavan, somebody was mentioning about Vrindavan. Heaps of powder is there, across the street. Mathura, origin, it's just getting, and our country is organic carbon in the soil. इंगाल जो बोलते हैं ना, वो जो जैविक इंगाल जो हम बोलते हैं ना, that is depleted. We don't have it. We don't have it. And this costing non-vegetarians for it. Vegetarians, we are really having bone problems, XYZ problems, all these things because of this. We don't have organic carbon. And we are waiting for the amount of food we waste in Bharat is around 40-42% of the food is wasted in Bharat. आपको पता है ना, ये जो आडंबर जो अभी हमने मैरिज में देखो, मंदिर में देखो, फेंकना है। अन्नम ब्रह्मम, say something like that. Allah is knowledge. Okay, throw it on the road. On that top we have burger techniques, pizzas, another kind of this. The amount of food Bharat wastes is the exact amount of food our friendly neighbor Pakistan needs. Do we know this? I call them friendly because as far as they're a part of Akhanda Bharat, they are unfriendly. Why they have become enemies is a big different story. Let us not go into that. But it is a part of our soil. So we are wasting 40% of it. So this is where I am trying to play my economics. See, we have a lot of people. I have launched around 8 this thing. At 61, I was forced to become an entrepreneur. I also took 2 crores from Nari Shakti program. Why we have been doing this is, can we bring down the price of milk? Can we bring down the price of vegetables? See, until people are ready to buy at a normal rates, we are not going to get any success. If people don't go for subsidies at all, and they still, everybody, what they are busy in? Building the brands. Sabko brand chahiye. You are very wasting your money in marketing, unnecessary marketing. काफी लोग नौजवान जो youths they come to my consultancy, they say, sir, we are going to get 20-30 girin guy, encourage guy जो ज़्यादा दूध देता है. Can you market the milk for us? Because we are also into milk and urine and other things. One simple thing I say. First, you convince your father, mother, uncle, brother, everybody that instead of going for KMF milk, I'll go for Deshi Gai. पहले जब तक संसार doesn't support you, Samaj will not support you. That may be there's the frank thing. Whether you're the first children, second children, third children, if your family doesn't support you, if your dad doesn't support you, if your mom doesn't support you, if your wife doesn't support you, if your children doesn't support you, then the society will not support you. It's simple formula. So I've crossed all this. I've been telling, if you want to become, I'll give you lands, I'll give you monetary support, I'll give you the market support, but are you ready to risk for 3 years or 4 years? Can you bring in 10 people who will go for it at a normal rate? We don't want the rate hiked up rate, 25 रुपये के लिए इन लोग किसान से you take chemical free food grains, say it for 125 rupees. Why? Because brand building. So micro markets, community markets, if this we are not going to build, or at least if we are, and then go united into Government of India. See, they have the policies ready, but there is nobody working on the policy. No, see, let us agree, whichever government comes, policies are there. Today, policies have improved a lot. Okay, but they don't have any model. कहीं पे भी नहीं है. हाँ, राजस्थान में कुछ देख सकता है. You know, MP there are people, a few people here in Karnataka. We have Sahaj Samruddhi and all these kind of people, but their outreach is limited. Many of the organic shops, you just go and watch. Such work after COVID have weakened. Hardly anybody goes to the organic shop these days. At least this is what is my experience. People don't go just because of the cost. मरना ही तो है, जहर खा के ही मरते हैं ना, ऐसी तो मरना है ना. Otherwise you are taking antibiotics. और बाकी जहर होगी ना, तो मरेंगे बस. भगवान का इच्छा है, जैसे कि अपना मुस्लिम भाई होता है, अल्लाह देता है तो हम लेते हैं, तो वही होगा ना हमारा. Anyway, ये बोल के, sorry I'm going, I think almost finishing the thing. So I would like to say, like, you know, Swati ji has done enough. So be in touch with her. So we have goshalas. If people want to come and see cows and all, there are a lot of them. I just heard even the Alsul, Alsul, like they have something. So this other thing is, let me tell you, the last scientific point is, whenever you see a cow or feel a cow, it is connected to our thorax region. So जो कुछ भी आपका, whether you have asthma or whatever, breathing problems, which obviously Bangalore has much less, but still we have asthma, quite a lot of asthma. Just go once in a way and look into a cow. Please don't touch anything, you know, which is a vilayati guy. मतलब ये जो हम नहीं होता है ना, please don't. That is not our dog, and it is genetically weak. I'm going to say the European cows are genetically weak. Whereas the buffalo is much better than even the vilayati guy. This is the fact. So be very careful, because if you want to really attempt being there somewhere and at a good health and good this thing, if that's all in your this thing, basket or whatever coat, if you want to be that way, there's always a way. And Indranagar is a very nice place. We have been serving Indranagar in a big way. So we'll get back to you whenever the time permits. Okay, thanks so much. And more Karunagiri is available online. You can take this book from this thing. It's a very simple.